Want to know how to make authentic Cajun gumbo? I'm about to show you how. First thing about making real Cajun gumbo is getting the roux just right. All you got to do though is pour water in the pot and add 2 cans of brown gravy. Stir it up. Now, some folks put chunky tomatoes in gumbo. You don't never use tomatoes in a gumbo. You're supposed to use ketchup. Now it's time to add what us folks south of I-10 call the Cajun Holy Trinity: onions, yellow bell peppers, and white mushrooms. My mouth is watering already, boy. Just throw them in the pot and mix them up a bit. Add your favorite Creole seasoning and we're getting close to perfection. But not yet. Gumbo ain't gumbo without the perfect sausage, so pick the best. Cajuns always use Vienna. Boiled down chicken bones really flavor things up in a gumbo. Ooh-wee! And there ain't no better chicken bones than fried chicken bones. Add some rice to your mix so far and stir a little bit longer. And last, pour your bona fide Cajun gumbo into a microwavable bowl and microwave for 20 to 30 minutes. And you ready to eat, boy.